What's up, y'all? Welcome to a brand new video, and today I'm gonna bring you another food review. And I went to Popeye's chicken. I got the blackened burger, the golden barbecue blackened burger. Comes with the chicken, the cheese, the sandwich. Look at that, bam. I think it has a little bit of bacon, but pickles. But hope you're liking this video. Just like and subscribe. Just bear with me trying to upload more videos for you. Yeah, let's dig into this delicious burger, and let's just rate it right now. I hope y'all are doing amazing. Just doing my best to upload videos, to bring more content in, but doing my best. But hope y'all are doing good, having a wonderful day, staying positive, and got the salsa on my shirt. I got a 6-piece hot wings. Good thing they threw some napkins in. It's important to have napkins. And also, I got me a drink from Valero Circle K. But last bite of this chicken burger. And also, in the same video, like I said, got me these hot wings. They're the signature wings. They forgot to close it all the way. But those are the delicious wings. Bam. You got the leg, and then you got the wing. They look so good. Got the 6-piece. Alright, I'm gonna try it without the ranch, and let's dig into it. Right now it's too hot. Came out of the fryer. I pretty much clean it all from the bone. I know. Here's my other piece of the wing. I clean it that way. And now let's try with the ranch. Buttermilk ranch from Popeyes. No. Dip it in ranch. They said these were the spicy wings, the signature, the signature sauce. They gave me 2 extra wings, which is good. Hope y'all doing good, doing amazing, staying positive. I've been watching like the NBA playoffs. Look at that. Bam. Man, these wings are pretty messy though. I have a hard time eating wings. They get pretty messy. But they're super good. Comment down below if you love hot wings. Which one's your favorite? Look at that. Wow. I know some people, they leave their wings like this, but with like a little bit of cartilage and a little bit of that, but I just like to clean it the best I can. But I hope you are doing amazing, staying positive, and doing good. It's right now, it's been kind of hard for me to upload videos, but doing my best to bring to entertain y'all, to watch my videos. I just want to say thank you for 81 subscribers. I appreciate it. I'm close to 100 subscribers, just about like 20 more. And then, I'd like to reach 1,000 so I can get monetized from YouTube, start getting paid, start bringing more videos, But I'm getting there, but right now for me it's taking some time, because I know other YouTubers, they get like 1,000, or like straight to from 0 to 100,000, or like 0 to 50, you know, 50,000 to 100,000. Like, I know they get a lot of help, but you know, I'm just doing my best to stay positive. But I'll get there one day, and because right now I'm just struggling to, you know, eat and make content for you guys. I've been keeping up with the NBA playoffs also. Like the Lakers lost, the Phoenix Suns, they lost in the first round. Boston Celtics, they advanced to the Eastern Conference Finals. They're waiting on the winner of the Pacers in New York. But I love watching the NBA playoffs. You know, oh yeah, congratulations to Victor Wembanyama, the Rookie of the Year. He had an amazing season. He did an awesome job. And then he was a front runner of Defense of the Year too. But he came close. But Rudy Gobert, congratulations to him for being Defensive of the Year. Nikola Jokic, the Joker, you know, shout out to him being the MVP. I know Shaq says that Gilgeous-Alexander, excuse me, should have been MVP, but it is what it is, you know. But I just want to say congrats to Shea and the rest of his team for being the #1 seed in the NBA playoffs. Right now they're down 3-2, but Game 6 will be tomorrow, which is Friday, and yeah, it's gonna be a good game. Love watching the NBA playoffs, you know. But pretty soon I'm gonna start going to games. Pretty soon I'll be traveling, but you know, I just want to see my friend Jay Kind of Funny, you know, in Florida, maybe to Las Vegas, to California, to San Diego. But maybe my first destination will be in Florida to see Jay Kind of Funny. He's gonna show me around Florida, which I haven't been there, and yeah, I'm just doing my best to upload videos for you guys, and yeah, just trying to entertain y'all. Just doing my best to, you know, enjoy this chicken. I'm down to my last wing. That was delicious though. I hope y'all are enjoying this video. Alright, let's get straight to the burger. I just got the burger and the 6 wings. The golden barbecue blackened $6.99. I mean $6.69. And then the wings is $5.99, a total of $13.73. The burger, I'm gonna give that a 9.6 on the burger, the barbecue burger. It wasn't, I didn't taste no barbecue, but like the sauce without the barbecue, I think I had barbecue. I'm not too sure, but like the sauce was good, and the pickles, it was pretty good, and everything. They had pickles, they had bacon. I get a 9.6, and then for the wings, I got the signature hot, and I thought it was spicy, but you know, it's not spicy. But if I would have got the ghost pepper, and then that would have, like, you know, kick in. But like the signature hot, it has like a little bit of sweetness to it, but it was pretty good. But you know, that filled me up right now, so I'll give the wings a 9.6. It was good, nice and, you know, hot, warm. Yeah, that was pretty good. Yeah, I just want to say thank y'all for, you know, watching, for, you know, tuning in, you know, like and subscribe to Pork Chop, and you know, I'm just doing my best to, you know, upload videos, but you know, I'm trying to, like, I want to post like 2-3 videos maybe a week, but just doing my best. I just want to say thank y'all for, you know, tuning in, for watching. I appreciate everyone for the 81 subscribers that I have on YouTube. Thank you. Do a TikTok too. You know, doing my best on that too. Right now I'm at TikTok, and I'm at like 1,000, probably like 300 followers on there. Stay consistent on TikTok, and you know, I'm just being myself, and I want to do like electronics. You know, my favorite YouTubers from like the Apple Tech is Justine, Jana, her sister. You know, I like watching Sarah Grace, Nikias, you know, like watching like Greg Gadgets, and H Marcus Brownlee, HKD, something like that. But you know, I like watching those YouTubers, like watching FaZe Rug, and the Montoya twins, you know, Mark Donor, you know, like watching him. Like watching Mike, Logan's friend, you know, like watching him. You know, they're like awesome people. You know, Jay Kinda Funny, you know, and Mariah, and, you know, Jack Dory, you know, they're like cool people, you know, like to watch them, you know. Yeah, I'm just doing my best to, you know, make content, and that's about it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Pork Chop. The chicken wings were at 9.5. The burgers 9. They're both 9.5. I'll get it that way. 9.5. The sauce, it was good. It's delicious. Not too spicy, but you got my nose running a little bit. But all I can say, thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe, and peace out. Stay tuned for the next video.